Welcome to this episode of Voice of Bengal Ground Zero Report. Paschim Bardhaman, an urban mining and industrial district, has been a victim of political intolerance and violence. Let's go on the functioning of the events in the district. But before we proceed, please do not forget to like and share the video, subscribe to our channel, and tell us in comments what your views are. Also to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Paschim Bardhaman is a district predominant with the urban mining industrial area in West Bengal. The headquarters of the district is Asansol, which is an industrial city and known for its expensive coal mines in the country. Durgapur is also in the Paschim Bardhaman district on the banks of river Damodar, just before it enters the alluvial plains of Bengal. ISCO Steel Plant of Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, Durgapur Steel Plants of SAIL, Durgapur Barrage of Damodar Valley Corporation thrived as an industrial hub in the Paschim Bardhaman district. Asansol is a multilingual subdivision where Bengali, Hindi and Urdu are the predominant languages, even though Tamil, Telugu and Oriya speaking people can also be found. Besides, Asansol is a multi-religious subdivision also, as Jains and Christians are residing here along with the predominantly Hindu and Muslim population. According to a news piece in March 2021, one TMC supporter was killed and several were injured in the bomb explosion in Jamal Bendi village of Andal police station area. Both BJP and CPM alleged that TMC goons are making bombs during the elections to disturb the peace. BJP candidate from Pandaveshwar, Jitendra Tiwari, alleged that TMC Congress candidate from here specializing in making bombs. He gave some people the responsibility of killing me, and this incident is a result of that. Similarly, there have been cases of coal scam also in which CBI and SIT have been doing an investigation. In the coal scam, TMC top leader Abhishek Banerjee, the nephew of CM Mamta, has also been interrogated. The central agency has also issued a notice to Ankush Arora, husband of Menka Gambhir, who is the sister-in-law of Abhishek Banerjee, for questioning in the illegal coal mining case. One can see the disturbing political scenario here, and TMC is constantly being involved as the culprit. The district of Paschim Bardhaman has 9 assembly constituencies, namely Pandaveshwar, Durgapur Purba, Durgapur Paschima, Raniganj, Jamuria, Asansol Dakshin, Asansol Uttar, Kulti and Barbani. In 2011, assembly elections were in favor of TMC with more than 50% of vote share. In 2016, TMC won 5 seats, CPM 3 and Congress 1. BJP did not get any seat in 2016 elections and were at 18.7% of vote share. Eventually, in 2019, voting patterns were at high voltage swing, with BJP got lead in all 9 assembly constituencies with more than 51% of vote share. In the Jamuria constituency, JNU Student Union President Aishay Ghosh is the candidate of CPIM against BJP's Tapesh Roy. Aishay Ghosh rose to the fame during the 2020 JNU riots, during which the left-wing students were joined by the outsiders and had unleashed a large-scale violence against the other students inside the university and had forced them to boycott the classes in the protest against the fee hike. Aishay Ghosh has allegedly led the mob that physically attacked the students and prevented them from registering for the winter semester to enforce the boycott. Well, it won't be wrong to argue if the TMC government has lost its effect and vote bank due to political instability and scam cases against it. Such practices led to the loss of political inclination towards TMC.
আপনার মতামত অনুযায়ী আপনার জেলায় কোন দল সবচেয়ে স্ট্রং? পশ্চিম বর্ধমান। কোন দল সবচেয়ে বেশি স্ট্রং? বিজেপি। আপনার মত অনুযায়ী আপনার জেলায় কোন দল বেশি আসন পাবে? ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি। আপনি যে বললেন ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি দল বেশি স্ট্রং, সেটা কি করে বললেন?
কি ভালো ভালো কাজ করেছে, ও কাজটাই দেখে বলে বিজেপি স্ট্রং আছে।
আপনার জেলায় পলিটিক্যাল ইস্যুস কি কি? আপনার পাড়াতে কি কি অসুবিধা আছে? আপনার জেলাতে কি কি অসুবিধা আছে?
আমার জেলাতে ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং কলেজ কমিয়েছে, হসপিটাল কমিয়েছে, জলের অভাব আছে।
টিএমসি কোন কাজে আপনি খুশি?
আমি কোনো কাজে বলে খুশি না।
আচ্ছা, মোদী সরকারের কোন কাজে আপনি সবচেয়ে বেশি খুশি?
মোদী সরকারে 370 নিয়ে খুশি, রাম মন্দির নিয়ে খুশি, আয়ুষ্মান যোজনা খুশি, এইসব নিয়ে আমি খুশি আছি।
আপনার মতামত অনুযায়ী আপনার জেলায় কোন দল বেশি স্ট্রং?
স্ট্রং বলতে গেলে তখন বিজেপিকেই বেশ বলছিলাম।
আচ্ছা, আপনার মতামত অনুযায়ী কোন দল বেশি আসন পাবে আপনার জেলায়?
কি বললাম?
বলছি যে আপনার মতামত অনুযায়ী আপনার জেলায় কোন দল বেশি আসন পাবে, বেশি সিট পাবে, কোন পার্টি? বিজেপি পার্টি, সিপিএম পার্টি?
আমার জেলাতে আমার মনে হচ্ছে বিজেপি হবে।
আচ্ছা, আপনার জেলায় যে প্রধান পলিটিক্যাল ইস্যুগুলো আছে এগুলো কি কি? মানে আপনাদের জেলাতে কি কি অসুবিধা আছে? কলের অসুবিধা, জলের অসুবিধা, কি রকম অসুবিধা?
বর্তমান হয়তো যে জলের এই কষ্ট বেশি, মিলমিল থেকে যা রোডের কষ্ট বেশি, রোড নাই ভালো পরিষ্কার নাই, রোড সব জায়গা ভাঙ্গা ভাঙ্গি আর গড়ছে নেই।
আচ্ছা, আপনার মতামত অনুযায়ী টিএমসি কোন কাজে আপনি খুশি? টিএমসি মানে যে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস,
হ্যাঁ।
তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের কোন কাজে আপনি খুব খুশি?
এই যে ভালো করবেন তবে খুশি হবো।
আচ্ছা, আর আপনার এই যে মোদী সরকারের কোন কাজে আপনি খুব খুশি?
খুশি পয়সা দিয়ে খুশি, তারপরে এই যে চাল মাল গম দিচ্ছে এই খুশি।
Giving some concrete evaluation with the reference to our respondents. In the district, drinking water, unemployment, political violence, roads, health facility and corruption are major issues. Many people are complaining about the commission and cut money in every work and political violence here. The coal smuggling case can be seen as one of the example of the issues of corruption here. The issues being prominent having been overlooked by the TMC government, and eventually the TMC government is the root cause in the district for the problem of corruption and cut money. Assimilating the analysis together, TMC's political behavior was in utmost favor and likable by the citizens until PM Modi-led BJP came into power in parliamentary elections. Since then, TMC is unable to solve the primary issues of the citizens. Their policies like Kanya Shri, Yuva Shri and Swasthya Saathi Card Yojana have been proved futile as they have ignored to address the significant problems. Most likely, the problem of corruption and cut money has emerged as an issue under the TMC governance, and people do discuss the mistreatment and malpractices they have to rely on to get their work done. Well, with this, BJP has taken a stand in the right way. It has been moving in the direction to provide facilities targeting problems such as unemployment. Let's see how the voters of Paschim Bardhaman take a side on this and choose their government in power for the next 5 years. Stay tuned. Thank you.